Bitcoin trading simplified. Trade engine. How do you trade your Bitcoins easily and securely in India? Point your browser at the Coinsecure website and click the Sign Up and navigate to Sign Up page, where you can enter your user information. Follow the email verification steps and, on completion, you are logged into the trade engine. The trade engine has been designed to run on mock Bitcoins and Indian rupees in order for you to experience and learn about cryptocurrency trading without having to spend money on it. In order to buy Bitcoins, you can select an existing order from the order book, which is below the trade box, or enter your own Bitcoin amount and desired price. On submission of your order, our smart notifications with audio let you know whether your order has been processed. In the event that your order has been fulfilled completely, your balances will update and your trade will reflect on your timeline. In the event that your order has been completed partially, the order will be displayed in the order book as well as under My Pending Trades, which is below the Recent Trades box. To know more, you can always browse through our FAQs or just contact us. Coinsecure. Connecting India to Bitcoin.